dias, damas y caballeros. I am not going to point the camera at myself this morning because I had hardly any sleep because of a couple bozos in the hostel where I was staying, yapping away all night. So anyhow, I'm going from Bogota to Villa de Leyva, which is in the Boyacá department, and I thought I was going to have to go to Tunja first, which is the bigger city, and transfer from there, but it turns out that there is a bus that goes right to Villa de Leyva, which is good. So anyway, the name of the company is Flota Valle de Tenza, and my ticket cost 38,000 pesos. And let's see here, they told me it's going to be 3.5 hours. And let's see what else. I'm still half asleep. I'm catching a 8:30 bus. Yeah, what else? 38,000 pesos is about 16 Canadian dollars, 14 US. And I went to terminal number 3 to buy my ticket. And I think that's about it for now. Hopefully I'll wake up in a little while, and then you'll be able to look at my beautiful smiling face. Anyway, this is the bus. I'm going to get back on it, and hopefully we'll be off very shortly. This is inside the bus. No bathroom on this bus, but 4-hour trip or thereabouts shouldn't be too bad. Seats are nice and comfy.
As per usual, a portion of the journey was spent just getting outside of the rather large city of Bogota. As you'll see from watching these video clips, the trip between Bogota and Tunja doesn't involve going way up into the mountains, as is often the case, and then a bunch of windy turns. But do note that between Tunja and Villa de Leyva, as the bus goes through the hills, there are a lot more turns. And so if needed, get your barf bags. The scenery that you're looking at right now is between Tunja and Villa de Leyva. And if I was to give a recommendation as to which side of the bus to sit on for scenic value, I'd probably give a slight nod to sitting on the left, which would be the driver's side. As you get to within approximately 10 kilometers of Villa de Leyva, start keeping a watch out for some of the signs that'll let you know where some of the main attractions are. That would include a couple of museums, or in Espanol, museos, and Pozos Azul, which is the blue ponds. Now, I walked both of these attractions, but I have to confess that I'm a little bit more ambitious than most people, and it was quite a long way to walk, so you might want to look into it.
Alright, so I just arrived to Villa de Leyva, or Villa Leyva. That's the little terminal over there. That's where I'm going to have to go to catch a bus to Tunja tomorrow in the morning, and then to Sand Hill from there. So I was told that it's only, there's a cool old truck, Coca-Cola truck. I was told that it's only 3 blocks from here to the Plaza Principal, so I'm going to walk, and then this will just be a simple vlog today. There's not a ton of interesting things to see around Villa de Leyva. It's more of a place to just chill out, relax, and just enjoy the slow pace of a small town. So I'll pick back up once I get to the Plaza Principal and find my hotel. Finally found the hotel. Very basic room, but I'm like paying $10 a night, so I'm quite fine with that as long as it's quiet. That's all I care. So next, I'm looking for the place that he told me about for lunch, which is 3 blocks away. And then I'm gonna see if I can stay an extra night here. He said there was a room available, whereas booking said that there wasn't for the cheaper price that I'm paying. As you can see, this cobblestone is pretty old. I will try to inquire as to how old it is at some point, but right now I'm hungry. Lunch has arrived. So we got your standard rice. This is sourdough pork. I think the beet salad, then lentils. I think that's maybe pumpkin, potato, and of course got a good soup and guanabana. Pretty good. I think it's 12,000 pesos. Just in case you're wondering, it all tastes really good. And just start pouring rain outside. Ser muy famosa.
Ok, a ver.
Okay. El nombre del restaurante es
Tierra
aquí?
de Fuego.
Tierra del Fuego.
Tierra de Fuego.
Interesante.
Tierra de Fuego.
When you look up my YouTube channel, I told her the restaurant's going to be on YouTube. And I also told her I can't get back to my hotel because it's raining.
It's raining today.
Oh, habla un poco de inglés.
A little bit.
Oh. Always the people when they speak English here, they
No.
very muy tímida para hablar en inglés.
Sí, es verdad. ¿Cierto? Yo
Ya.
prefiero hablar español para que tú aprendas.
Pero es tu país, entonces
Claro, tienes que hablar
necesito
español.
aprender más español.
Sí.
Pero sí, thunder and lightning. Oh well, es típico.
Voy
So
para Santa
Natalia is from Bogota. Now she's living here because her hermano, her brother,
Yes.
opened the restaurante solo es un año
He
aquí,
bought the
or
restaurant.
he bought the restaurant.
Yeah.
She speaks good English. We always hide it. Interesante.
I can practice with him.
Yeah. So, prefiere Villa de Leyva más? Villa de Leyva o Villa Leyva?
Villa de Leyva.
Villa de Leyva.
Villa de Leyva.
A veces la gente dice Villa de Leyva,
Villa de Leyva, no. Villa de Leyva.
pero prefiere Villa de Leyva más que Bogotá.
Sí, me gusta más Villa de Leyva que Bogotá, porque es más tranquilo, no hay trancones, es lindo, restaurantes bonitos, actividades, montañas, río, lluvia, sol,
Sí.
y es cerca todo.
Sí. Prefiero las pueblitos también.
Y Bogotá solo voy a jugar básquet, nomás.
¿Y qué me recomienda para hacer si tengo un día mañana para ver?
Mañana te recomiendo que puedes ir al Santo, a las montañas.
Ok.
Hay un lugar para ir, se llama el Santo.
Okay.
Te recomiendo ir a hacer cuatrimotos si te gusta, si te gusta montar a caballos, puedes ir a montar a caballos. O también horses, yeah. You like to hike.
Sí, excursionismo. Sí, sí.
Hay caballos, te puedo decir con quién.
Okay.
Y tienes que ir a los restaurantes, a otros restaurantes también para ir a comer toda esta comida deliciosa.
You're supposed to recommend solo puede venir aquí.
Solo puedes ir aquí al restaurante Tierra de Fuego, bueno. Y este fin de semana que vamos a tener comida deliciosa, ¿ok? Ajiaco con pollo, trucha, mojarras, frijoladas, delicioso. ¿Ok?
All right. I think I have my break. I can make my way to the hotel. Well, it was fun talking to Natalie. As I always say, such friendly people. Normally, that's the restaurant across the what is now a little river. This oh, okay. This has turned into a little river too. And don't think there's a really good shallow spot up here, so let's see. Yeah, it's deep over there. That's not good. Here we go. I hate getting my boots soaking wet because then it takes 3 days to dry out. Let's see if he has any success here without getting feet soaked. Oh, there we go. That's the answer right there. He's got it. I will do that. Oh, she just walked right through. She says, heck with this. Yeah, so that was fun. There was thunder and lightning. I managed to get across without getting my feet wet. I don't know if you saw that. Just a nice flash just happened there. Anyhow, it's not so bad now as long as I don't get splashed by people driving by me like that. Oh, can you hear that? Thunder. Okay, so that's kind of a beautiful scene right now. The light's slowly trying to pop through. So who knows, maybe I'll go back there if I can stay an extra day and Natalie can be the star of the show. She's a little bit prettier than me, don't you think? Yeah. The streets are all rivers now. Not much of an irrigation system, obviously. Streets are very shiny. Alright, I'm right in the middle of the Plaza Principal here in Villa de Leyva, and it's still raining, but that's okay. It kind of makes the stone colors pop a little bit more, so I'm just going to give you a quick 360 view of the main plaza. And there's a whole bunch of restaurants all over the place here. And as you can see, there's not a whole lot of people out right now. And even when it was dry, it was a little sparse for people, but it is, what is it, Thursday, I think, March 2021. I'm pretty sure the sun's gonna pop through in a little while. Anyway, nice tranquil little spot to hang out for a couple days. Just wander around and enjoy the peaceful, quiet life for once. Oh, and by the way, lunch was 10,000 pesos. That's only like $4 Canadian, $3.20 US. So that was exactly what I was asking the guy that runs the hotel for. It was a nice economical place where I could get the food typical of the area. And I might as well show you my room really quickly. Double bed. Feels like it should be comfortable enough. A little window looking outside. Even a little TV, just noticed that. And then a private bathroom. A shower head, which I presume that will give me hot water. When you see this wiring here, it means that it's a, I don't know, I'm going to call it the Mickey Mouse hot water system. You can actually feel well, me being my height, I can actually feel the electricity if I get within about there when I'm staying in the shower. So it's like you're getting electrocuted as you shower, which is always, that's kind of fun, I think, don't you? Yeah, this should do the trick, I believe. It should be $10 Canadian a night. That's $8 US, so can't complain for, you know, having a private room and bathroom for $10 a night. and most of the other places in Villa de Leyva are a little more expensive, so I was quite happy to find this place, because when I was looking before, most things were starting at $20 a night, so that's good. Hopefully it'll be quiet here. I think it will, as long as I don't have any noisy neighbors. And it's getting to be dusk now. Some really nice mist forming up in the mountains there. Main cathedral right there.
Apparently, I forgot to sign off while making this video, and so I'd just like to say thanks for watching, and until next time, hasta los tacos!